Some dishes you eat, others you experience. This is Singapore chili crab, a glorious, glorious mess of sweet, Dungeness crab submerged in a sauce so seductive you'll find yourself licking the shell literally. It happened to me, it'll happen to you. Born in a 1950s hawker center when a clever cook ran out of tomato sauce and grabbed chili instead, this accident became Singapore's national dish. One Dungeness crab. Let's do this. One live Dungeness. Flip it over. See that flap? Twist it off. Now lift the top shell, the carapace, from the back. Inside those feathery gray things? Those are the gills. Discard them. Right in the center, that greenish-yellow paste, the tomali. Spoon it into a bowl. This is liquid gold. Save every bit. Rinse the crab. Find the center seam. With a sharp knife, cut straight down. Split the body in half, then each half into pieces. Crack the claws gently with the knife's back. Not shatter, just enough for sauce to sneak in. Into the food processor, 5 red cayenne chilies, seeds and all, garlic, ginger, echalotz, 2 tablespoons tauco, fermented soybean paste. Blitz until smooth. That color, that's the soul of this dish. Oil in the pot, medium-high. Add 1 tablespoon belachon, dried shrimp paste. Your kitchen will smell like low tide for exactly 90 seconds. This is normal. Stir 2 minutes. The funk becomes flavor. Science. Add your spice paste. Cook 3 minutes until the oil separates. This is how you know it's ready. 1 cup tomato passata. Cook 4 minutes stirring. We're caramelizing, concentrating, building sweetness. 1/2 cup sweet chili sauce. 2 tablespoons ketchup. 2 cups water. Stir. Bring to a boil. Claws first, they're thickest. Cover 3 minutes. Now add that reserved tamale and all the crab juices. Watch the sauce transform. Add remaining crab. Stir gently. Cover 7 minutes. The shells turn brilliant orange red. That's cooked. That's perfection. Remove crab. Now with sauce simmering, stir in a circle and pour in beaten egg. Thin stream, steady hand. Those ribbons forming, that's texture. That's tradition. That's a 1963 innovation that changed everything. Stir in 3 tablespoons white vinegar, off heat. Return crab, coat gently. Now taste. Sweet first, then heat building, then savory depth, then vinegar brightness cutting through. The crab is tender, sweet, absolute perfection. That sauce? You'll want to drink it. Serve with golden mantou buns, because leaving sauce behind is unforgivable. Food Illustrated. And as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.